Best wood chipper money can buy? That's kind of a presumptuous statement, isn't it? So am I telling you that's the best wood chipper money can buy? Yeah, I am. No, it's not clickbait. It's not what you think. I'm not telling you that brand of wood chipper is the best wood chipper out there. I'm telling you that type of wood chipper is the most cost effective there is. If you're going to chip wood, you need power. Those little jack-in-the-box wood chippers that have 5 or 8 horsepower gas engines on them and gravity feed, you're wasting your time. Just go buy a bag of mulch and burn your stuff. You're not going to chip anything with that. This runs off of my tractor. My tractor has a 75 horsepower diesel. For something like wood chipping that you're not doing all the time, you're doing it here and there, this is a perfect application for a tractor because I get to use the power head of the tractor. I don't have another engine to maintain. I don't have additional oil to change. There's very little maintenance on this unit. There is some hydraulics in there for the feed, but there's not much I need to do with it. And this thing works. I can really chip some wood with this. So again, am I saying that this wood chipper here is the best wood chipper money can buy? No. This brand, it's been okay for me. It has some issues, some things about it could be better. But a 3-point hitch wood chipper that runs off of the power head of the tractor is definitely the way to go. Because I've got a chipper here that's just going to blow away the cost of any other chipper with a similar power. Now, if you don't have a tractor, maybe it's not as much of a no-brainer, but I would even submit, even then, if you really have some chipping you want to do, you might want to go look at getting a used tractor. You know, you can pick up an old tractor with a 30, 40, 50 horsepower diesel for a few $1,000s. If you start looking at a wood chipper with a 50 horsepower diesel and up, you're into five figures real quick, and well into the five figures. So unless you're chipping every day, all day, and you need a commercial unit that's a standalone unit, this is going to be the best chipper. For farmers, for do-it-yourselfers, for people that are not professional wood chippers doing it every day, this is the best wood chipper money can buy.